Hey, what's up, coders? If you're somebody who uses RStudio Cloud or who used to use RStudio Cloud and you have connected with RStudio Cloud and your GitHub account, it is highly unlikely that you're going to face this error. This error says support for password authentication was removed on August 13, 2021. Please use a personal token instead. So whenever you're going to push your changes to your GitHub repository or the remote repository, you might face this error, very exactly like what the error that has been shown on the screen. So this video tutorial is going to help you how to solve this error for RStudio Cloud, but you can ideally expand it to any Git scenario where you face this error, especially if you have been using your username and password. So what this error means: usually we used to give our username and password to authenticate while we are going to make a push. But now GitHub has stopped accepting your username password for authentication. Rather, you want to create a personal token. So I'm going to show you next how you can create your personal token and add that personal token here in the RStudio Cloud and then successfully push it. Like I said, I'm explaining with RStudio Cloud, but you can probably expand this to any scenario. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to your GitHub profile. Let me go inside my GitHub profile. And once you sign in, you have to click my settings. And if you go to settings, at the bottom you would see developer settings. Click developer settings. After you click developer settings, you would have multiple options: GitHub apps, OAuth apps, personal token. So click personal token. As you can see, I have already created a token for RStudio. So I'm going to create a new token, and I have to again authenticate. When I do that, then it's going to ask me a couple of details. First, what is this token for? So I want to say this token is for RStudio Cloud demo. Okay, and then after I do that, I want to set up the expiry date. Okay, I can say no expiry or custom. Maybe I can say expiry is going to happen in 1 day. I can do anything, but right now I'm going to say 7 days, because most likely after this video is published, I'm going to revoke or delete this. So now what are the access scope that you want to give? So we want to say anything related to repo. We need to have access to the repo, and if you like anything else, if you want, you can give access to that as well. So for now, I'm going to just give repo related access. I'm not giving any other access. But if you want, like for example, if you want to handle a GitHub action, then you have to give workflow access. If you want delete packages, or if you're going to publish packages, then you have to give relevant access. If you want to control organizations, then you have to give relevant access. For our case, we don't need any of these accesses. I'm going to just go ahead and then click generate token. Once I click generate token, the token is going to appear here. Please make sure that you copy this token and paste it somewhere, because once you leave this page, come back, you will not be able to see this token again. You have to delete and create a new token. So it is important for you to copy and paste this token. Also, never ever share your token with anybody. So you might think that I'm actually showing it on screen, but immediately after this video is finished, I'm going to delete this token, which means nobody can use this token. Even if they try this, they will not be able to access my account. So bottom line is, never share your token with anybody. Copy this token for now. After you copy this GitHub token, personal access token, now go ahead to your RStudio Cloud. I've already made the change. I can quickly make another change just to show you. So maybe I can just add a new, just type enter, save it. Once I save it, you can see these things. I can commit these two, and then I can go to my terminal and then say git add all. I can clear this, git add all, and then git commit message error demo. Okay, and I've successfully committed. Now I can click push. Once I click push, it's going to ask for my username. I've entered my username. Now it's going to ask for the password. When it asks for the password, you don't have to enter the password. You don't have to enter your GitHub password. Rather, you need to enter the token, the personal access token that you copied. Paste it here, click OK, and at the end of this, it should ideally push, and then you can see that it has successfully pushed. So if I go to my GitHub repository and then I look for the repository, you can see that there is a change that has been published. So you can see 38 seconds back there is a change that has been published, so which means we have successfully managed to eliminate the error that we just got at the start, and then we also managed to successfully push the change that we wanted. So if you're somebody like me who had been using RStudio Cloud to manage your libraries, our libraries, especially made a connection with GitHub, and then you are facing this error about personal access token, so all you have to do is go to your GitHub, gain the personal access token, come back here and use the personal access token in the place of your password, and then you should be ideally fine. And like I said, never ever share your personal access token with anybody. As you can see right now, I'm going to click delete so that the personal access token will be deleted and no one would be able to use it again, even if you have seen this video. That is all I wanted to cover. I hope this solves the problem of connecting your GitHub with your RStudio Cloud. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, stay safe. Happy coding.